It is about accounting. I will do at most that I can. Okay, first one. I will write the answer. It will be under this because I cannot actually. Okay, this. I do not have a calculator here, so it's kind of difficult to count. It's okay. First one, asset is the total of a shareholder's equity and liabilities. Oh, I forgot to. All right. Perfect. Okay, so what we can see here is this we would do because I do not have the calculator, so it might take time to calculate things. First exercises. All right. Assets is the sum of shareholders' equity and liabilities. So actually, just like Manda said, usually 95K, and then just add it together, and we have 426K. Finally, it's gonna be 246, so 245,440, right? It works. Okay, next. This one, I'm gonna insert building blocks. I don't know. Okay, write it here. Ah, yes, and we can. Okay, guys, we can put the things here, so it's okay now. Properly good. We have cash. Cash is asset. Assets is, or share is something like that we get. It's ours. This one. Okay, liability is like from ours, the money or the things that we that the from all that we are not owner of this. Account payable is ours as well. Building, okay. Inventory, retained earning, yeah, what we get from orders. Account receivable, oh, account payable is from the liability, which is from shareholders. Share capital is from, yeah, share equity, shareholder equity. And bank loan is what we get from the bank. All right. Cars is ours. And prepaid expenses. Okay, this is gonna be what is prepaid expenses? It should be okay. This one, I think so. All right. The balance sheet is financial statement shows specific moment. Right. True. False. Okay. We have this. This one, maybe one is correct. Of course. Next. Salary payable is an asset account, no, it's a liability account. So it's false. All right. The income statement cover a period of time. It lists the revenue and expenses for a specific time window. Income statement, yes, is true. Prepaid accounts a liability. Prepaid rent is not, is asset, so it's false. Okay, next. The double entry system is system recording business transactions where everything as if in at least two accounts. Double entry system, what is that? Mm, what is double entry system? It looks like, it seems like, it sounds new to me. Mm, method of everything is recorded in at least two counts. Oh, double entry system. Yeah, yes, one as a debit and other as a credit. So it is a matter of counting in which every financial transaction in at least two recorded in at least two. So it's correct. Which ensures those are the credit and debit. Credit assets kept for at least 1 year is not is appropriately current assets the current term, not for 1 year term, okay? Do not have an effect on the retaining account revenue and expenses. Of course, it have. So now it's wrong. Gross profit is particular activity minus the direct source associated with the earning of that revenue. Um, Gross profit from a particular activity. Okay, activity minus the no, they're not. It is not minus. It is the wait, revenue and with direct source. Oh, yes, correct. So it's true. Um, the thing is that how can we count for something like um gross profit? I suggest that I need to open a tab for which I have done. I will summarize the information of this class. Where is it? Oh, it's simply it's not here. Just give me a second to look for the information of the theory one. All right. K is in the company, and there it is. And it's gonna be in the management. Okay, this one, right? I don't know how to share with you. Oh, All right. Just- Mm, well, I must say that cash within 1 year, okay, always total accounts are being used to record all the changes. All right, I know where is it. It's not here. How can I get this? Maybe entire screen, which is much better, I suggest. Okay. Oh, I've done one. Next, definitions. I mean that I already done some part, so perhaps not really a good try. Try. Online fund definition, dividends, and describe effect of dividend paid on the profit and loss statement. Oh, I found it here. Dividends. Okay, their payment made by a company to its shareholders from its profit. Payments that made by company to their shareholders, of course. Okay, and cash or additional shares of stock. Okay, the directly impact the income statement. Balance sheet is a snapshot of company's financial position at a specific point in time. List the assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. Then, and this is the formula. The equation is what we have done in the number one exercises. Mhm. Exercise. Journal and ledger. Journal is initial record where all financial transactions are first entered in a chronological order. Date, accounts affected, amounts, and description. All right. One, when used the ledger is collection or accounts used by a company to record. Insurance initial record, okay, used to initial all transactions in a systematic manner. Make it easier to check management in terms of specific accounts, cash, accounts payable, or sales. Okay, on January this year, check Polygon. Okay, what I have done here, that one business with capital in the weeks. Okay, he set the capital in his bank account. Okay, it's one here. He have cash 20 32 32 320K. Then if this one he pays for the cash. Yeah, capital and then the cashier we have capital, then cash. Okay. I think we should do it as fast as we can. What the is this? The pollen. Okay, supplies. We get a 30-day deferral payment from the supplier bank account. So we got, okay, we have supply acquires the stock of water supplies for an amount of 50K from get a 30-day deferred payment of account payable. Mhm. So we just get things of from this, copy this. Okay. And this one, he got a supply, which is 15K, and then account payable. Payable account, which is 15K. All right. And on the January 20th, buys a car for 20. We need to get the total assets at this time, but I will do it on the final. We need every time we need things like the totals because it's appropriately one of the things that we need to do. And on the January 20th, buy a car. For this, he borrows when the long term from is loan, right? Purchase invoice 2, contract investment credit account statement 3. Okay. Borrows. We have a car with 24K. And the cash we pay for, so it's gonna be all right, cash will be 41K. And he borrows from the bank, so that is a loan rate of 20K. Purchase invoice to his supplier. Mhm. right? And this one we can get things like he paid 15K, so cash will be reduced and the pay bucket will be deleted to zero. So I copy this. So of Y customer totaling. So he gained the cash with €3, 300 euros. We have retained earning, which is retained earning here, RE retained earning, which is the services that the goods cost of goods sold he have. So it's 300. Polling required. This sees an invoice from the utility company. Payments made immediately using bank account. So he gonna pay this. So it's gonna be 450, and this one will one. Oh gosh, it's my fault. It's gonna be 19. Okay, part two. And debit entry to an account. Increase shareholders' equity, no. Increase liability, no. Increase assets, yes. Increase assets. Which account doesn't have a debit balance? Okay, this one is will be for both revenues and expenses. AP had a normal beginning balance of $1,700. Debit posting. Debit. So it will reduce if it's based on the depot entry. So if it reduced 200 and added with 700, so it is 2002. List of accounts and the balances is the yeah this one. Sure, no, it's just like the first step. while the ledger is like the list of all accounts, then each of the transaction. But yes, of course, when we balance sheet or trial balances. Wait a minute. Is it this bit? Profit and loss statement. It is a trial balance, right? Oh, I got the message. 3 minutes. Yes. That's not your fault. it's okay for me because I understand every concept. It's not really, yeah. All right, I'll have like I have um get appointment this evening. Yes, he's sick, so I can't go. But yes, it's okay. You just informed me, so it's okay because it's informing me. Oh my God, how nice he is. Like I mean, like yeah, I do not know why, but sometimes it feels seems like everyone is really nice, although they're not really free. Oh yeah, okay, but it's exactly good person. That's really the things. All right, continue with our this one chess sections. Oh, the basic summary device. Basic. This channel, which is the first one, is it? Maybe I should ask ChatGPT for help. Maybe the correct one, but we can look at this. Clue. Sure, I have no clue. I mean, like, okay, everyone's so nice. Okay, we have this to the list of all accounts. And the balances is trial balance. All right, this one is trial balance. Okay, the channel is the first. Like, the channel is the first lecture, which will like yeah, the total accounts. Because you find the balances, which is trial balance, which is accounts and the balances, and finally the financial statements, which is the final part. Okay, so of course this was not correct. The balance it was we do below above. Now this was correct. This is first section. The basic one is the journal letter, the lecture with the list and account categorizing by the list of accounts. This final statements is the final financial statements is the final. Okay. Next, based on exercises 5, complete the blank T accounts again vote in each section. T account it looks like this. This one is will be look like this. And yes, then just put those all of those things here in this. So maybe I would not do that once again. Done. Next, because it's blank, so it'll look like that. We build this house of memories that make me around. See, so memory. Journalize. Okay, which one is record the first section? Journal tab. Okay, journalizing. Okay, this one will be this. We'll be doing like a table of two things, but it should be like teacher section, which is the when we think above, we see above. But at the moment, I'm like too lazy, so just do this. Assess. To this house of memories, take a picture and send it to be seen. And I will wait a minute, make it here, and this one is collaborative. Also, SE, which is shareholders equity. Right. Besides the battery is low. We borrowed signing a note payable, which is account payable, right? It's gonna be 35K cash, 35K, and perform service. It will get retained earnings with 9,002. It will get the cash plus 9,002. Right. Receive cash on account from clients. Cash plus 6. Okay. And then we begin in the returning on account receivable as adjust. Mm, received from an account from from clients. I think it will be here in the returned earnings, and then receive a utility bill, yeah, which is gonna be minus 500. And so, which is minus this one, and paid monthly salary will be where? I suggest as in the revenue. Mm, it could be. I will ask to check if it's correct. All right. Yeah, this one notes payable, which is account payable. Okay, it's account receivable. Really, revenue. Okay, cash. Yeah, from clients. It should not be decreased here because both should be equal together each other. So that I think that this one is not really correct. It would not be the same in the two in the T account. It would not work. Yeah, this one account payable, right? Oh, it increased, not decreased. Oh, it's meant forward in understanding the concept, right? Cash will decrease, and this one should be decreased as well. Mhm. We should take as this one is plus. It should be here as a check, but I do not really know where should I put it in. Hmm, like monthly salary should be expenses. Ah, there's something like expenses, right? Expenses, isn't it? And we have this one. I think so. Next. Okay, we have a debit and transaction analyzers. Oh, there are about 19 exercises. Okay, to 3 o'clock. How much we can do? Okay. Dividend service revenue. Yeah, once again, just copy the table. I suggest just insert because I'm too lazy to do that things. But there is kind of like a different table. I mean, there's a template for this. Okay. Deposited in the business bank. Issue share to Michael, which is one of the shareholders here. Cash. What is it? It is 10,000. Baby. Then in the dark between my arms, barefoot on the rocks, listening to your favorite song. You look perfect tonight. SE is 10K. All right. Wait, and then number two, capital share or share capital. Purchase equipment for okay cash. Equipment which is supplies. The ninja skill my hand and baby sing in the dark. You between my arms. Listening to favorite song. Don't deserve it. We have purchase supplies. All events will be okay cash supplies. Again. Alright, so it's gonna be different, right? This is called supplies and this is called equipment. Plus 3,500K provided of landscaping work to customer on account. So the cash will be plus from the retained earning. Okay, paid cash to equipment previously purchased. On account, so it is account payable. Oh, this one. Oh, then it's still here. And then it minus to 500, right? Okay. Received for services. Next, paid 200 to repair equipment, which is equipment. The business paid 900 for September's salary expense, which is salary such as expense. There are types of spending, which this one called mm, salary. Yeah, 900. We should calculate the total and the final step, but I will not do because it takes a lot of things here. Received a utilities bill amounting it has not paid this bill. Hasn't paid this bill. What does that mean? It means that does not pay, right? The business received from a customer on account, like receive customer on account. It is like put it here, right? And then pay cash dividends up. Okay, dividends. All right, we'll check this. Okay, can you please do the account on this? Okay, it works. Okay, cash, debit. Oh, it's here. Just check. It doesn't work. It works. How can I see this? Yeah, it would on the T accounts it will look like this. Like there are different things we need to write here. Debit and credit. Credit is like the minus in debit is plus in the cash table, the cash account. And on the besides we have this one which is appropriately opposite to the cash account receivable. Oh, so this one is the account receivable. Provide landscaping to okay, is account receivable, not retained earning. So this one is definitely on the other side. Oh, wait a minute. Can I see this? Look much better. Cash, we have this. It has plus 15, give 500 here. Wait a minute. It had a cash 10K from the start. And the one is the capital. Okay. And then it has supplies and equipments here, which is from account payable, which is there. Hmm. Okay, account payable, which is debit. And we have this one is for equipment. We have supplies, which is counted from the cash. This one here. And then we have it's too long. Maybe the next task. Waiting for it. Prepare the income statement. Statement of changes in equity and balance sheet. Right. The proper things we can do not only into this table. Okay, receivable. All right, this is the account receivable. And then the liabilities, assets, cash, minus, okay. Payable accounts, okay. Receipt 2000 cash for services, okay, which is retained earnings. Paid, okay, equipment repairs, okay. Paid 9 with salary, okay. Account payable plus 150. That's not too clear. So it should be once here plus 150 to pay for that things. Receive cash from the account receivable. Paid 1,500 for the in dividends. All right, it's okay. Oh, this table is wrong places. Mm-hmm. Oh, invest 25K to the business, open the business. This is from investment. Started with 5K. Okay. Purchase on account of office supplies, which is mine 350. This one plus 350. And then pay cash 20K to acquire a lot of land next to the campus. So the land will plus 20K. And Richard performs research from, okay, it is from the retaining, I mean the services that he have done will be here 190 paid on account payable, which is section B. Oh, so it's account payable here. Oh, purchases on account office. Okay. And this one got paid one. And then pay 2,000 of personal funds. Personal, so it's not here. Pay cash expenses for office rent and utilities, which are all expenses. I will write it out 5, but this should be right. different. Next, sells a quarter of its length. Okay, and if plus 600, and also minus 600, pays a cash dividend. Okay, dividend here, which is 1,200. Wait a minute, I want to check if I go on the correct things. Hmm. Not here, it's not here. Where is it? Cruel accounting, is it here? It has dividends in the retained earnings. I mean that I would like to find. I think it should be here. Where is it? Let's look and find it. Oh no, where is it? I want to find the basic rules. Oh, there are some slides. It's been skipped in the show mode. Ah, this here. This one. Okay, we have assets, which is debited credit. Okay, the different way if it's dividends, it is minus. The only one that is up is liabilities, share capital, and retained earnings income. Retained liabilities, all expenses, and dividend is minus. But all of this capital, retained earning, liabilities, share capital, retaining liabilities, okay, and income will be increased. This one's not correct. And dividend expense will be decreased. Okay, that's right. That's great. Wait a minute. Alright guys, sorry, we have to end the stream right now. Have a nice day. Wait, at the evening. Let's see.